Hi, why are you so pale? You're not feeling well?
Yeah, look, like I'm sick since yesterday. I felt cold, but I guess because of the weather. This morning my head felt heavy.
You should rest if that the rest.
Yeah, I really want to rest, but I have an appointment for 10 days this afternoon with diet.
You can practice it this afternoon.
Look, Adrian's vest is very pale for him.
It's okay if we don't have first practice. Looks like I want to be training to the focus in my current step.
It's okay, Adrian. You have to test a lot so on the next can you show our best.
Thank you. Later when my health improves, we will start practice together.
Oke, kita terusan.